Science 8, Quarter 1, Potential versus Kinetic Energy. What's up mga kadalas Aces? Good morning po! Kamusta po kayo? Ayan, andito na naman tayo sa panibagong episode ng Learning Science with Sir Jaboy. So yan, for today's episode ang pag-aralan natin ay tungkol sa energy. Specifically sa pinagkaiba ng potential at ng kinetic energy. Let's first define the word energy. So in physics, energy is defined as the ability or the capacity to do work. How do we obtain energy? Human beings obtain energy from the food that we eat. We need that energy in performing the daily activities that we need to do for that day. Okay? So ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng kinetic at ng potential energy? So madali lang yan. Ang potential energy ang tinatawag na energy at rest. Yan ang tawag namin dati. Pero ngayon iba na. Ang potential energy is the energy waiting to be released or the energy possessed by an object due to its position. Ang halimbawa ng potential energy ay ang elastic potential energy at ang gravitational potential energy. Yan. So, ang kinetic energy naman ay tumutukoy dun sa energy in motion. It is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion or the energy possessed by moving objects. May dalawang uri ang kinetic energy. Ang translational kinetic energy at ang rotational kinetic energy. Yan ang pinagkaiba ng potential at ng kinetic energy. Sa next video ay maglalagay tayo ng mga example para mas maunawaan ninyo. Hanggang dito na lamang muna. Paalam. Please follow for more.